Our new flagship 13-inch laptop is an evolution of XPS as an experience. Centering in on the customer, design decisions were made to benefit the end user. The nuances of simplicity and an emotional connection are just as important as performance and specs. From the outside, this new 13 looks very similar in size, weight, and footprint to our previous XPS 13. But the wow moment is when you open the laptop and see the beautiful, simplified, modern interiors. The touch-friendly interfaces create a seamless experience for the user. The capacitive touch function row allows the user to switch between them by hitting the function plus escape buttons so the user can see only the keys they choose. Next, the entire palm rest is one piece of glass with no parting lines. The seamless glass touchpad uses force pad haptics to provide targeted, reactive sensation. Piezo technology utilizes a series of small, actuated motors for precise, responsive feedback. The zero-lattice keyboard is fast, efficient, and comfortable with every keystroke. Designed with larger keycaps and deeper 0.3mm dish, it's ideal for a touch typist. The XPS 13 Plus uses premium materials but provides simplicity in terms of processes and finishes. We removed superfluous steps and reduced finishes and materials. The bead blast is finer and is available in 2 colors. This is the first time we've designed a 13-inch XPS to a 28-watt spec, so it's more powerful than ever before, all while being about the same size. It's small, thin, and light, so you can take it everywhere with you. Larger fans provide up to 55% more airflow, enabling more performance in the same size without increasing noise or temperature. With Dell Power Manager, customize your performance based on how you want your laptop to operate. Adjust system behaviors to your preference between quiet, performance, cool, and optimized modes. The latest battery technology enables long battery life without extra weight, and Express Charge allows you to quickly charge your laptop when you need it. Its stunning display delivers high brightness, improved clarity, precise detail, and vivid color, bringing your content to life and providing the tools to create at your best. We pioneered the thin bezel and the 4-sided Infinity Edge display, enabling a large edge-to-edge display in a small form factor and high screen-to-body ratio. Get immersed with true-to-life color on its XPS OLED display. All 7.4 million pixels are individually lit, turning off completely for black, so dark areas are true black, and color pops against that backdrop with wide color gamut. iSafe technology intelligently manages light energy at the source, selectively reducing harmful blue light and dispersing it across the light spectrum. Enjoy louder sound and broad dynamic range with quad speaker design. 2 up-firing tweeters are hidden underneath the keyboard, while 2 down-firing speakers are on the base. Incredible sound for music, movies, and conferencing. Log on quickly and securely with Express Sign-In with Windows Hello, which detects your presence to securely log you on touch-free when you step in front of your laptop. Or it automatically locks your screen when it senses that you have walked away. The XPS 13 Plus is now more sustainable than ever. For the first time, we're using low-carbon aluminum, made using hydropower renewable energy sources, which greatly reduces the carbon footprint. Plus, they will also ship in all-new packaging made from 100% recycled or renewable content. Our most powerful XPS 13 yet was designed from the ground up to be our highest performing flagship 13 ever. The simplicity and purity in design are stunning and provide a seamless experience.